love when you're pulling me close. Say you think that it's time to go home now. Another year gone, I've gotten so used to Saturday nights, just me and you. So don't leave me alone at the party. Don't leave me alone. The heaven I need when everything's hell. Just with one look, I know you can tell that we don't really need anybody else. How did I get so lucky to love somebody like you? How did I get so lucky that you love me too? Slow morning, cold coffee, with my feet on your side of the couch. What a comfortable quiet we found. I know I get lost sometimes, make up shit in my mind, but you know how to pull me right back, just like that. Now another year gone and everything's changed, except for me waking up to your face, yeah. And that's only part of the story, a piece of my heart. You're the heaven I need when everything's hell. When I'm with you, I'm more like myself. So we don't really need anybody else. How did I get so lucky to love somebody like you? How did I get so lucky that you love me too? Get so lucky that you love me like you love me. 1 in 7 billion people like you feel me before. Get so lucky that you love me like you love me. That you love me too. How did I get so lucky that you